Hey guys, this is Candy in the Land of Sushi and welcome back to my channel. First of all guys, I hope everyone is staying at home, safe and healthy, and I hope this will all be over really soon so that we can get back to our normal lives. Anyway, in this video I will be teaching you how to make a face mask like this. In Japan, we have been facing a mask shortage and I think it applies to other countries as well. So people in Japan have resorted to making their own face masks at home. This face mask that I'm going to teach you is a no-sewing face mask, meaning you don't need any threads or needles and you only need 4 materials. And the materials are, first, you need an aircon filter like this. You can get this one from Daiso. And next is a pair of scissors and old stockings and a piece of square cloth or a hanky. I'd like to call this mask a Japanese origami style face mask. So now let's get down to business. First, make sure your table is clean and sanitized. Don't forget your hands as well. Next, spread out your air filter and cut it 6 cm by 35 cm, or depending on the length and width of your hanky. Once done, set that aside and take out your stockings. Next, cut the stockings to at least 3 cm wide. Stretch that out and now you have an ear loop. And don't forget to make another one for the other side. Next, neatly place the square cloth on the table. Then, take out one piece of that aircon filter that we just cut and place it at the center of the square cloth. Now take the base and fold it towards the center. And now fold the air filter before folding the upper part of the cloth like we did with the base. Now again, take the base and fold it towards the center. Do the same with the upper part. And starting from the upper part, fold it towards the center and do it on the other side as well. Now take the ear loops we made earlier and place one on each side. Next, open the center part of the mask like this. Gather one end and tuck it beneath the folds. Do it on the other side as well. And now you have your face mask ready for use. So this is how the face mask looks like. Yes, it's really hard to talk with this face mask on, but it is really easy to make, and it also has a filter so that we can filter out all the microbes, the pollens, and all that tiny viruses in the air that we can't see. So this is how it looks like. It's a little big for my face, guys, because my face is really tiny, but for like a regular face size, this will fit really well. And it also depends on the size of your hanky. I think I use a little bit big. There you go, that's how you do this face mask. I hope this video has been informative. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos about Japan, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Please like this video and also click that bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much and I'll see you in my next vlog. Goodbye!